Enter the all-new 2019 Corolla Hatchback, which rides on another stage, has another motor and transmissions, and advantages from crisp styling all around. The new auto successfully replaces the past HIM display. An updated Corolla vehicle will bow later. It's too soon to know whether we'll really feel much love for it from a driving stance, yet it appears to be encouraging and, amazingly, really looks great. Like the active Corolla M, which was a Scion until the point that that brand was hacked out, the 2019 Corolla Hatchback is all the more firmly identified with the Europe-advertise Auris hatchback than the staid Corolla vehicle that Americans eat up by the several thousands consistently. The upgraded 2019 Auris hatchback gave us our first trace of what the new Corolla hatchback may resemble when it influenced its presentation at the Geneva Auto to demonstrate half a month prior. Based on Toyota's new global architecture, TNGA, the Corolla hatchback develops in each key measurement aside from stature, up 1.5 creeps long, 1.2 crawls in width, with a 1.5-inch more prominent wheelbase and more extensive front and back tracks, however a 1.0-inch bring-down rooftop. All models get a calfskin move handle, an electronic stopping brake, keyless start, and 2 USB ports. Apple CarPlay similarity, Amazon Alexa, Wi-Fi, Siri Eyes Free, and voice acknowledgement are for the most part standard. The XSE includes double-zone programmed atmosphere control, cowhide and texture upholstery, warmed front seats, a power driver's seat, dashboard swing, and a 7.0-inch TFT data show in the instrument bunch. Springing for the XSE likewise gives you Sirius XM satellite radio, Toyota's in-tune telematics administrations, and HD radio. A range-finishing 800-watt JBL sound framework with 8 speakers is accessible on XSE models with the consistently factor-programmed transmission, CVT, and is packaged with Root. As pleasant as that all sounds, the Corolla's most substantive changes lie underneath the skin, beginning with the aluminum and high-quality steel concentrated TNGA engineering, which adds to lighter weight body and frame segments, a 0.8-inch bring-down focus of gravity, and the immense claim of a 60% change in torsional solidness. Grinding in the suspension has been decreased by 40%, Toyota says, adding to more straightforward guiding. Then, powertrain automaton and street clamor have been tended to by various new solid stifling and lodge protecting measures. At the point when the Corolla hatchback hits dealerships this late spring, it will be fueled by Toyota's new Dynamic Force 2.0-liter inline-4 combined with either another 6-speed manual transmission or the imaginative direct-shift CVT with its different dispatch outfit. We've effectively announced top to bottom on the new 4-chamber motor, with its 13.0:1 pressure proportion and immediate and port infusion ability. We thought about the trap new CVT, as well, yet just now have we gotten affirmation from Toyota that the Corolla hatchback additionally will be offered with the 6-speed manual, which will wear rev coordinating ability. What despite everything we don't know is how much power the motor will make or its CPA mileage gauges. All Toyota will state at the present time is that the 2.0-liter motor has accomplished picks up in control, fuel effectiveness, and cleaner discharges. We ought to have those subtle elements, and also news on the 2019 Corolla vehicle, sooner rather than later. Has Toyota really made a Corolla with appeal? We'll know soon. Yet, in the event that the shockingly fulfilling 2018 Camry is any sign of what Toyota is able to do, our Corolla-related vocabulary may incorporate significantly more awards.